皆さん、こんにちは。今日は、ただの音楽ではなく、世代全体の声である曲を取り上げます。ワンオクロックの We Are です。
@ITS Core We Are is about identity and belonging. It speaks to anyone who's ever felt lost, invisible, or unsure of who they are supposed to be. Taka's voice carries real emotion, not polished perfection, but honesty. The slow build of the song feels like gathering courage, and when the chorus hits, it feels like finally breathing after holding it in for too long.
And this is why We Are stays with people long after the song ends, because it doesn't talk down to you. It doesn't tell you everything will magically be okay. Instead, it's look you straight in the eye and says, I know you're hurting, I know you're scared, but you're still here in a world that constantly compares, judges, and pressure us to be more. This song reminds us that simply existing, simply surviving already means something. We Are is for the people who feel like they don't fit in, for the ones who are trying their best even when no one notices, for the ones who feel broken but keeps going anyway. And maybe that's why these songs hit so hard, because it doesn't separate the strong from the weak. It says, we're all in this together. So if you're watching this right now and life feels heavy, let this song be a reminder. You're not alone. Your voice matters. Your story matters. We are, all of us, still standing. If We Are means something to you, drop your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe. And thank you for being here. See you in the next video.